This is part 2 of the trailers and bogie. I would like to show you the bogie I put together for the stationary engines, but I took the box sections of it and putting a nice heavy plate which I can put on and use it for other things for by. Now this is the bogie in question. These wheels, a workmate gave me these wheels years ago. They are cast iron. Each wheel has its own grease nipple and bushing. They are inches. They're a good, solid, strong wheel. Now, the stationary engine that I used was quite heavy, so I had to make it pretty strong. There's each of these brackets, angle brackets, they're bolted on for by welded. This is the steering mechanism. Forty inches. Eighteen inches. Now this is the steel plates I'm putting on. I have two. I have to cut one to do the front part. It is 18 inches. They are 29 inches by 18, but I will be making about 2 inches over each side, an inch and a half here, 2 inches at the back. Now this is good, solid, heavy steel plate. Give it a good rub down before I paint it. Which means it can be used for other jobs for by the stationary engine. It has proved a lot of worth to me. Good solid steel structure. I hope some of you have found this last two tips of interest. As I say, this is part 2. Now, that's some of the work I do. I have built a few trailers for different people, and that wee bogie. This is Ben's Machine Shop, and look up my website. I have quite a few tips. Thank you for watching.